morning and welcome to the Steve Jobs Theater. We have a huge morning planned for you with some truly big announcements. We're adding a whole new way to enjoy games on the App Store with Apple Arcade.
Apple Arcade is the only place you can get unlimited access to over 100 groundbreaking, exclusive new games made for iPhone, iPad, Mac, and Apple TV. You can't find these games on any other mobile platform or subscription service. Apple Arcade is available starting on September 19th. Just $4.99 a month for the whole family. And we're launching with a 1-month free trial.
Next up, let's talk about Apple TV Plus. Well, today, we're excited to tell you that the first shows will be available on November 1st, and it is just $4.99 per month for your whole family. And so starting today, when you buy an iPhone, an iPad, a Mac, or an Apple TV, you'll get 1 year of Apple TV Plus included for free. Now let's turn our attention to iPad.
The new 7th generation iPad. This iPad has a new, larger 10.2-inch Retina display. We're also proud that with all these enhancements, this new iPad will start at just $329.
Introducing Apple Watch Series 5, featuring an innovative new display that is always on. Now, with Series 5, you'll always be able to see your time and complications. It all starts with the industry's only low-temperature polysilicon and oxide display, or LTPO. LTPO allows the display to refresh dynamically from as high as 60 hertz to as low as 1 hertz, which is extremely power efficient. All-day, 18-hour battery life. A built-in compass. Now, with the updated Maps app, you'll be able to see which way you're facing, just like on your iPhone. You can add the compass to your watch face so you can see your direction at a glance. And there's even a new compass app, which allows you to see not only your heading, but also your latitude, longitude, current elevation, and incline. Now, with Series 5, every cellular model has international emergency calling. And Series 5 has the widest assortment of case finishes ever. And we're introducing new models for the first time in titanium. Series 5 GPS models will start at just $399 and $499 for cellular models. You'll be able to order Series 5 starting today, right after the keynote. And they'll be available in our stores starting September 20th. We're also keeping the very popular Series 3 in the line. And now, starting at a low price of just $199.
Let's talk about iPhone. This is iPhone 11, the next generation of iPhone, and it is jam-packed with great new capabilities in an incredible new design.
iPhone 11 comes in 6 new colors with an all-new purple, white, yellow, green, black, and product red. It has a 6.1-inch liquid retina display. We have an amazing dual camera system with an all-new wide camera, with a new sensor with 100% focus pixels. And we have a new ultra-wide camera with a 120-degree field of view. Because now you can take a wide camera shot like this, but switch to the ultra-wide to reveal the scale. Yes. Let's talk about night mode. Here's an image with night mode turned off. Here it is with night mode turned on. We determine the image fusion time and use adaptive bracketing based on what we see in preview. So shorter frames if you have subject motion, or longer frames if you have deep shadows to recover them. Then we intelligently fuse images together, reducing motion and blur. So when taking video, you can easily tap to switch to the ultra-wide camera to capture even more in your scene. You can also use the zoom wheel to just transition easily between the 2 cameras. We also wanted to make it easier for you to take a quick video with Quick Take. So now when you're taking photos and you decide you want to take a quick video, simply tap and hold the shutter button to record a video. In fact, it has the highest quality video ever in a smartphone. We've also updated our front TrueDepth camera to a wider 12-megapixel sensor. Now, we've also added slow motion video to the front camera for the first time. Well, now we're introducing the A13 Bionic, the next generation of our industry-leading chip. Well, the A13 Bionic is just going to extend that lead even further. The A13 is the fastest CPU ever in a smartphone, and the A13 Bionic is just going to get even faster, because the A13 Bionic is also the fastest GPU ever in a smartphone. So with the advancements in iPhone 11, it'll still have an hour more than battery than in your iPhone XR for incredible battery life. So we're really excited to offer iPhone 11 at just $699.
This is the iPhone 11 Pro, and these are the most powerful and most advanced iPhones that we have ever built in a stunning new design.
iPhone 11 Pro comes in some gorgeous new finishes. This is an all-new midnight green. There's a very pro space gray, a beautiful silver, and a new gold. Let's talk about this Pro display. It comes in two sizes, 5.8 inches and 6.5 inches. They have the highest pixel density of any display Apple makes. Our Super Retina display is the most advanced we've ever built into an iPhone. Now, this incredible new display has a level of brightness, contrast ratio, color, and detail. Well, really, it's the experience that we're building into the new display for the Mac Pro. We call that the Pro Display XDR, and now that experience is being built into an iPhone. With iPhone 11 Pro, you now get up to 4 hours longer in your day. With iPhone 11 Pro Max, up to 5 hours longer in your day. A fast charge 18-watt adapter in the box, so you can charge them all faster too. Let's talk about the cameras. First, it has a new wide camera that has a fast f1.8 aperture and focus pixels that cover 100% of the sensor. It is a new telephoto camera with a larger f2.0 aperture. It lets in 40% more light. And has a new ultra-wide camera with a super wide 120-degree field of view and a tremendous range of focus across the entire image. Now we want to give you a sneak peek of a new feature coming in the camera that will be available with a software update this fall, but it's so cool we had to tell you about it. It's using the neural engine of the A13 Bionic to create a whole brand new kind of image processing system. We call it Deep Fusion. All right, you ready for this? What it does, it shoots 9 images. Before you press the shutter button, it's already shot 4 short images, 4 secondary images. When you press the shutter button, it takes 1 long exposure. And then in just 1 second, the neural engine analyzes the fused combination of long and short images, picking the best among them, selecting all the pixels, and pixel by pixel, going through 24 million pixels to optimize for detail and low noise, like you see in the sweater there. All 3 cameras shoot 4K, 60 frames a second, extended dynamic range video with beautiful highlights and shadow details. And for pros who want to edit this video quickly on device, now with iOS 13, we have new advanced video editing features built into the Photos app. So you can do things like edit a video for exposure, color temperature, even cropping and scaling, right in the palm of your hands. So this is iPhone 11 Pro. In addition to the triple camera system, A13 Bionic, longer battery life, faster charging, new designs. There's also faster cellular, better water resistance, stronger glass, and so much more. So we have a new line of cases for them as well, including clear cases for all 3 models, so you can show off your beautiful new finishes. So iPhone 11 Pro will start at $999, and iPhone 11 Pro Max at just $100 more at $1099. So this is our lineup of 3 new iPhones starting at $699, $999, and $1099. In addition to that, we're going to keep iPhone XR in the line starting at just $599 and iPhone 8 at $449. So there's a lot of great options for people at all different price points.
Thank you and have a great day.